This is a lecture on acid, base and salt part 1. This lecture covers the syllabus of CBSE class 10 chapter 2. After attending this lecture, we will be able to define acid, base and indicator and color of indicators in different media. So let's start it. It was Robert Boyle to label substances as acids and bases. Acid from Latin term acre, meaning sour, and it was Arrhenius who first defined these two terms, acid and base. Acid tastes sour while base tastes bitter. Acid are corrosive to metals and base feels slippery or soapy. Acid change blue litmus red and base change red litmus blue. As Arrhenius defined acid, it is a substance which furnishes hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. For example, hydrogen chloride in its aqueous solution dissociate as HCl aqueous. It will dissociate as hydrogen ion plus chloride ion in aqueous form. So this hydrogen ion is responsible for acidic property. Few examples of acids are hydrochloric acid in gastric juice, carbonic acid in soft drinks, ascorbic acid in lemon. It is also known as vitamin C. Citric acid in oranges, acetic acid in vinegar, tannic acid in tea. Now we will define base. It is a substance which furnishes hydroxyl ion when dissolved in water. For example, in its aqueous solution, sodium hydroxide dissociates as sodium hydroxide aqueous. It will dissociate into sodium ion aqueous plus hydroxyl ion aqueous. This hydroxyl ion is responsible for basic character. Few examples of bases are sodium hydroxide, used in washing soaps, potassium hydroxide in bathing soaps, calcium hydroxide in whitewash, magnesium hydroxide in milk of magnesia, ammonium hydroxide used in hair dyes. Next we are going to see indicators. Those substances which show one color in an acidic medium and another color in basic medium are called indicators. Such substances are called acid-base indicators. Acid-base indicators. Litmus is a natural dye found in lichens. We can see a chart here. This is known as color chart for indicators. So this litmus has a red color in acidic solution, while blue color in basic solution, and in neutral solution its color is purple, like this. Phenolphthalein are colorless in acidic solution and also colorless in neutral solution, but phenolphthalein shows pink color in basic solution, while methyl orange shows red color in acidic solution and in neutral solution its color is orange, like this one, and in basic solution methyl orange has its color yellow, like this. Now it's time to test yourself. Few questions are given here from the lecture. First is, dash acid is found in gastric juice. Second, dash ion is present in base. Third, dash acid is found in tea. Fourth, phenolphthalein shows dash color in neutral solution. Fifth, term acid or base is used first time by dash. So find the answer in the lecture and write it in the comment box. Name of the first students will be shown in the part 2 of this lecture. So in the part 2 of this lecture we will study the properties of acids and bases. Properties of acids and bases in the next part of this video. So for that time being, stay subscribed. See you soon.